Hi, I'm really making a super effort to have 100% the same things on Ubuntu as on ArcoLinux. And one of the things is sparklines, or Spark for short, from Holman. And it gives us these lines, as you see here, and it cuts off a long script or anything. Let's say I want to scroll up, but until that line, visual line, to where I should actually scroll up to. Now, guess what? It's not on the repo or anything from Ubuntu. So I have to figure it out here, and that's the fun. Spark is a shell script, so drop it somewhere and make sure it's added to your path. It's helpful to etc. like mine, and they give us this thing. Click. So basically, Ctrl-Shift-V and sudo shell -c curl brr, all the thing, and it's gonna put something into the user local bin, so that's in my path, so that's cool, and just type it in. So we've got ourselves a Spark, and we need to tell something. Now I scroll over to ArcoLinux, and let's see if we type alias. What I always type is clear, I think. Let's see, or clean, that's possible as well. Yep, it's time to go into the Bash RC and just open it. So I'm on a second machine here, and then open Control Find Spark. So it's a long line, clear, sequence, deep put columns, sort -r, sparklines, and lolcat as well. So that's basically what we do. It's called sparklines there. Here it's called just Spark. But as you see, I need to give him input. He needs to get some numbers, and the numbers are actually coming from a command. Now on Ubuntu, let's see what I've done in the past. We have also Bash RC, Control Find Spark, or clear. What was it again? Alias is clean. I've removed the alias from this Bash RC. It might still be in the fish. We could have a look there. Otherwise we go online, right? Everything is online. So in fish, that's the config fish, clean, find, nothing. So it's really cleaned out. So let's see, this is that, this is a browser. So you go to github.com/ArcoLinux, that's enough. And then you go to Bash RC, which is the root, and there's a root package, ArcoLinux root, etc Bash RC latest, Control Find, clean. So I can do copy paste, right? So this thing, Control C, well, Control C. Since we're on fish, I'm gonna add it to config fish, somewhere at the bottom. No, not before the coloring somewhere. So here we're gonna play around with colors. So alias clean, clear, sequence 1 to how many columns we have, sort -r, spark lines is just Spark here, and lolcat we don't have it, but I think we can install it. Well, yeah, it's just once you know what it is, there's no fun anymore in it, but in this case maybe, yeah, why not, right? So lolcat is already installed, cool. So we have added this. I hope Spark actually is working, and then we send it to lolcat. The only thing I need to do is reload fish and then try clean and see if it works. So command lolcat is available. User games lolcat. Okay, the command gonna be loaded because user games is not included in the path. Now I don't think that's gonna work. Let's try something else. New fetch pipe lolcat. There you go. So user games. The only thing I need to do is say user games. I don't think it's actually installed. It is installed. Okay. So this is lolcat. So if I change this thing into user games lolcat, that's good enough for me. And if we say reload again and then clean, this is sparklines. So when do I use it? When I run scripts, but I don't close the window again. So I just want to scroll up to the last launch of a command, and this gives a visual line that's where I need to go to start check the script. So this is okay. So I can add it to our configuration ArcoLinux Nemesis, github.com, Eric Dubois, ArcoLinux Nemesis. There is a hidden folder in there, so that I can have this on Ubuntu, because I don't want to be restricted to Arch, but I do want to have chat.wm and all the other applications. So that's the fun that I'm now playing with, right? The fun of Ubuntu in this case, focusing on that one, and then setting everything 100% the same. So when I get to my computer, I actually don't know what I'm on, right? Doesn't matter what the back end is. The front end is all my apps and all chat.wm and all my key bindings, all the same. Cheers.